This gorgeous townhome is centrally located in Winter Park close to Park Avenue, Winter Park Village, Advent Health, Rollins and I-4. Walking distance to shops, restaurants, coffee shops, banks and Publix. Light and bright open floor plan with flexible living spaces. Gorgeous chef's kitchen completely renovated with new 42 white glazed cabinets, upgraded stainless steel cafe and KitchenAid appliances, built-in microwave drawer, 5-burner gas stove with warming bake drawer, and pantry with pull-out drawers. There are wood floors throughout and plush carpet runner on stairs. Master bedroom with bay window sitting area, walk-in closet with custom closet system. Secondary bedrooms also have custom closet systems. Plantation shutters throughout. Inside laundry room with utility sink leads to 2-car attached garage. French doors lead to courtyard patio area with gas grill hookup from family kitchen area. There is custom storage rack systems in the garage for extra storage. Home has fresh paint top to bottom including walls, ceilings, doors and trim. Completely move-in ready and waiting for you.